Well, today turned out to be a pretty nice day considering we woke up to a patchy dusting across the Tennessee Valley. A little bit of sunshine returned, providing those warmer temperatures. And with the cloud cover moving back in, temperatures right now are slightly milder than they have been the past couple of nights because the current clouds are acting like a blanket, and that's keeping the temperatures from falling all that much or all that quickly. We have dropped to 42 degrees in Huntsville. We're down to 41 in Scottsboro, Fort Payne, and Albertville right now. Florence dropping to 39, 36 in Moulton and Decatur and Athens right now, sitting at 38 degrees. But overall, temperatures aren't really going to fall all that much. During the overnight hours, we'll likely see a few of those middle 30s and maybe a few low 30s showing up by tomorrow morning, but mostly just the overcast skies are going to prevent those temperatures from falling. Notice we do have a little bit of green showing up on Pinpoint Predictor. A stray sprinkle, a stray area of drizzle can't be completely ruled out early tomorrow morning or by mid-morning as well, but for the most part, it's just going to be that cloud cover. So we'll wake up with those overnight lows generally in the low to middle 30s. It's going to be cloudy tomorrow, so the warm up is going to be slow to progress. By 10 o'clock, we're starting to see a few of those low 40s show up. And by lunchtime tomorrow, a few breaks in the clouds, kind of like what we saw today around lunchtime and into the afternoon hours. That's going to help boost those temperatures up, upper 40s to around 50 degrees by lunchtime. And here's a look at those high temperatures that you can really look forward to for tomorrow afternoon. A couple of degrees warmer than today, actually. 53 degrees tomorrow, the high for Huntsville, 53 for Scottsboro. Madison, you'll make it up to 52 degrees tomorrow afternoon, a high of 52 for Athens, 54 for Moulton, Muscle Shoals, Russellville, and Haleyville. You all have a high of 52 degrees as well. So pretty seasonable for this time of year. But don't get used to it because chilly air is quickly on the way. This is going to be our next weather maker, at least a part of it. We're going to be tracking two separate parts of it. The first is going to be the cold front, which, of course, as you guessed it, is going to bring the cold weather. That's going to be sinking to the south, and it's not going to be crazy cold weather like we have seen, but it is going to drop those temperatures back to below freezing. And when you combine that with some moisture, that's going to give us that chance for some wintry weather. The timing for this, it's going to be a Monday night into Tuesday morning event. Accumulations do look likely. However, because the system hasn't formed yet, the moisture along the Gulf of Mexico, it's just too early to pinpoint exactly where the highest accumulations will be or how much that we'll see. But just be prepared that accumulations do look likely with this. The main type of precipitation that we're looking at with the current track of that does look like it will fall as mostly snow, not ice, for the Tennessee Valley. So again, we're mainly tracking the moisture along the Gulf of Mexico. But first, as we track that cold front that we just talked about moving into the region, we could see some spotty showers around mixed with some light sleet pellets. That's going to be Monday morning around midday Monday as well. No accumulations, no travel problems with this. We're mainly talking about Monday evening into Tuesday morning. So you start to see all of that moisture forming to our south. That's going to be the better chance for moisture. It's going to be all about how far north that moisture spreads into the colder air that the Tennessee Valley has. So you can see rain down to the south, but the Tennessee Valley, especially south of the Tennessee River, or at least south of the Alabama-Tennessee state line, that's where the best chance of snow is going to be, again, Monday night into Tuesday morning. This is an evolving weather situation. We will provide you frequent updates as we fine-tune this forecast. Again, no winter storm watch is in effect for the Tennessee Valley, but once these details come into better agreement, I do anticipate that we will likely see a winter storm watch posted for the Tennessee Valley. And as soon as that gets posted, that'll be issued on our WAFF weather app. That'll go straight to your smartphone, so certainly something good to have. Yeah. And you can get on there and read all about the watch, and you can get an update on the weather blog, which has been freshly updated with more information. So,
and we'll definitely be on social media with Facebook and Twitter as well. So,
yeah, so
we have you covered.
Many ways to stay updated.
Exactly. Yeah. All right. Thanks, Lauren.